This one is pulse oximeter. So you have to put two AAA cells. So remove this back case, insert batteries in the right place, then replace the cap and press this power button. So with a beep sound, the device gets switched on. Then you can use any of the fingers, but generally it is recommended to use these three fingers: thumb finger, index finger and ring finger. So this device contains a probe, so you can see that red color lighting. Let us have a look into the correct method of placing the finger in oximeter. In this first method, the radiation source is not at all passing through finger, hence no reading on LED screen. This second method is also a wrong method of placing finger. So in this, radiation light is not adequately passing through finger, hence gives false reading. So this is the right method of placing finger. Here the radiation light is passing through the finger, hence gives correct reading. You must keep your finger like this, facing your skin part of this side towards the radiating light, and close the finger, then press this button. While checking pulse oximeter, you must have some patience. 98, 98. So this side it is pulse rate and this side it is saturation levels, that is SpO2, saturation levels of oxygen. It is generally recommended to wait for 10 seconds to get the accurate value. And another very important thing while measuring the pulse oximeter is that you must position the pulse oximeter at a level that is equal to heart, your heart. So this position. So this position will give the accurate results. And another important thing, you should be stable. There should be no movement. So you must stabilize yourself. This device is used to check at certain points only. You cannot use this device for continuous monitoring, not even more than 5 minutes. For example, if you keep on putting for a single finger, so it gives values within 5 minutes only, the accurate values. If you keep this device to the single finger for more than 5 minutes, the values are wrong. You must be aware of these things. And certain other precautions you should take while checking with pulse oximeter is your hands should be dry. No water should be there to the fingers. There should not be bright light. So the bright light could interfere with the reading. So the LED lights can have a interference, and even it should not be measured in sunlight, high bright light.